take better care of your animals. No, seriously. I saw the same dog missing 5 different times. Dude, at that point, it's escaping, okay? Get that dog a new name and a passport. I saw a missing parakeet the other day. A fucking bird? Well, you want me to rent a helicopter and look for this bitch? Why do you have a bird? Any bird owners in the crowd? Yeah, no psychopaths in the room. Good. We're all safe. You own a bird? You have 2 birds. You used to. They got in a fight? A fire? A fire? That bird would have never been in that fire. I'm sorry, rest in peace. Fuck. Fucking fire. He said they were 24. That bird was... 2 birds. 2 birds. We're 24. There should be a Netflix documentary about this.